creating the perfect NEMA 4 PB28 printer enclosure. Looking for a NEMA 4 printer enclosure to house your desktop or label printer? Check out the PB28. Perfect for harsh environments, the industrial enclosure will protect from dust, dirt, challenging weather, and hose-directed fluids. The PB28 is fabricated out of cold rolled steel and available in blue, gray, or any custom RAL color. Standard features include a hinge printer door, an adjustable sliding shelf attached to uni-strut, quarter-turn knob-style compression latches, dual durometer EPDM gasket, and a lift-and-turn lockable latch on the rear door. Additional PB28 options are available. Cable entry gland. A sealed cable entry gland can be installed on the rear or sides. Cables or wires can be routed through watertight modules of varying diameters. The modules are fitted around the cables, and a compression unit is tightened for a reliable seal. HPD gas springs. If it is anticipated that users will forget to close the hinge printer door, a gas spring closure can be added to the HPD to enable the door to close on its own. Lockable latches. The rear door has a lift and turn lockable latch included, but quarter turn lockable latches can be added to the front door in two places or directly on the hinge printer door to protect the printer. Mounting. The PB28 can be installed on a desk, a table, a workspace, an adjustable bolt-down pedestal, or a heavy-duty mobile pedestal with lockable casters. Thermal management. An outdoor filtered fan system, an air conditioner, a NEMA 4 heat exchanger, or a vortex cooling unit can be added to provide cooling. Heaters are also available. Surge protector. A 6-outlet surge protector can be added internally to power various electronics. Still have questions? Call ITS Enclosures at 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com or simply visit itsenclosures.com and click on the video gallery to watch all of our iStation product videos.